Only 29% of HR professionals globally are using people data to guide decision-making on a daily basis. This is a huge waste of vital information which can be used to guide daily and strategic decision-making across the entire business. This is one of the reasons that we have developed iTrent People Analytics with Power BI. We unleash your people data via our cloud-based data model, giving you the tools to easily visualize, analyze, and distribute this information throughout your organization. What does that mean for you? It allows you to prove legitimacy to make an impact in the boardroom and to move people data to the heart of strategic decision making. Let's take a look at this out-of-the-box dashboard, which can be implemented within your business in a matter of hours. The People Overview page gives a full overview of your employees instantly, including headcount, retention, and salary costs. This is the perfect solution for quickly updating senior management. There's easy navigation, and we can navigate our way through the app using the navigation pane down the left-hand side or the buttons across the top. Across the top, we can see the key measures that will be used throughout the app. Underneath this, we can see variances, and this highlights any changes which have taken place on a month-by-month basis or a year-on-year basis. We can also see this over a period of time, including year-to-date, financial year-to-date, and rolling 12 months. The charts below also change to represent your selection. We can see a breakdown of generation and gender, leaver reasons, and our movements, with our headcount at the start of the year, any joiners, any leavers, and then our current headcount. The Variance Analysis page allows us to select multiple years to identify any variances between those years. For example, how has our headcount changed from one year to the next? There's a filter pane on the right-hand side, and this can be found within all of the pages within the app. This allows us to slice and dice the information, for example, by narrowing down a particular part of the organisation. You can apply some simple filters here. Trend analysis allows us to view historical data and trends, looking over whatever period of time we choose using the date slider at the top. We can identify any peaks and troughs in our headcount, joiners, leavers, turnover, and salary costs, with a further breakdown at the bottom by gender, generation, leaving reasons, and job family. Establishment Overview is focused on positions and departments, giving you a detailed overview of your workforce. We can view this by positions and costs, location, top 5 positions, position count by job family, position count by grade, and position count by salary band. Within movements, we can identify any peaks and troughs. We can select a specific data point, and using the focus mode, we can expand the tabular data that sits behind this, and we can export this to Excel if you wish. We can view this by joiners and leavers, and it's broken down by manager, leaving reasons, gender, and service length. Departmental comparison allows us to directly compare departments looking for variances, and we can do this by using the drill down functionality and drilling through our hierarchy. We can view this by employee profile, service length, location, employment type, turnover, and span of control. Within Department View, there is the Org Explorer feature. This allows us to drill into our organisation, selecting a specific data point, for example, reporting manager. We can then view this by headcount, location, employment type, and salary band and gender. The demographic page allows you to track your performance against equality and diversity by viewing a breakdown of gender, service length, ethnic origin, disability, generation, and nationality. So this is iTrent People Analytics with Power BI, the perfect solution to develop a business that's connected by data. But why is it so good? We unleash the potential for your people data and move it to the heart of decision making. Dynamic reporting offers flexibility and customization, enabling you to tell your own story. It is a single trusted source of information which enables instant overview of employees and further detailed deep dive analysis. No need to work across multiple spreadsheets where issues around data security, version control, and data accuracy can arise. You can use the current and historical data to guide your workforce strategy, diversify the demographic of your business, and track movements. It allows you to provide vital data and analysis with legitimacy to influence management and strategic business decision making, and it can be shared at the touch of a button. All built upon our cloud-based iTrent Analytics data model, which allows you to make people data a key asset within your business without the infrastructure headache. If you'd like to know more, please don't hesitate to contact us or your customer relationship manager.